Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. Question number 18. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternatively at A and B. Starting with the center A of radii 0.5 cm, 1.0 cm, 1.5 cm, 2.0 cm, etc. as shown in figure. What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? Take pi equal to 22 by 7. So in the figure it is given a spiral is made up of semicircles. Here L1 is the length of the first semicircle, L2 is the length of second semicircle, L3 is the length of third semicircle, and so on. Okay, so it is in the shape of semicircles and the radius of each semicircle is given. First radius is 0.5 centimeter. 0.5 centimeter is the radius of the first semicircle. Then 1.0 centimeter. Then 1.5 centimeter. Then 2.0 centimeter. And so on. And there are total 13 semicircles are there. So you have to find out the total length. What is the total length of such a spiral? So you have to find out the total length of all these semicircles. So we know what is the length of semicircle. The length of a circle or circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So length of a semicircle is pi r. So you have to find out the L1 by using the formula pi r, L2, L3 and so on. So we get L1 equal to pi into 0.5, that is equal to 0.5 pi. L2 equal to pi into 1.0, that is equal to 1 pi. 1.0 is 1. L3 equal to pi into 1.5, that is equal to 1.5 pi. L4 equal to pi into 2.0. 2.0 is 2. So that is equal to 2 pi. So we go to the AP here. AP is the length of each semicircle. So L1 is the length of first semicircle. L2 is the length of second semicircle. L3 is the length of third semicircle. L4 is the length of fourth semicircle. So the AP is 0.5 pi, 1 pi, 1.5 pi, 2 pi, etc. Here you don't want to give the value of pi. You can use 0.5 pi, 1 pi, 1.5 pi, 2 pi, etc. So A equal to 0.5 pi first term. D equal to second term minus first term, that is equal to 1 pi minus 0.5 pi, that is equal to 0.5 pi. N equal to 13 because in the question it is given there are 13 such consecutive semicircles. Now let us find out the sum because the question is what is the total length of the spiral. We have Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We can give the value of a, d and n there. So we get S13 equal to 13 by 2 into 2 into 0.5 pi plus 13 minus 1 into 0.5 pi. 2 into 0.5 pi is 1 pi. 13 minus 1 is 12. So we get that is equal to 13 by 2 into 1 pi plus 12 into 0.5 pi. Now we have to multiply this 12 into 0.5 pi first. So we get that is equal to 13 by 2 into 1 pi plus 6 pi. So we get that is equal to 13 by 2 into 7 pi. Now we can give the value of pi here. We know the value of pi is 22 by 7. So that is equal to 13 by 2 into 7 into 22 by 7. From here we can cancel 7 and 7. 2 and 22 also we can cancel. We get there 11. So 13 into 11. That is equal to 143 centimeters. So total length of the spiral made up of 13 consecutive circles is 143 centimeter. Question number 19. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the row next to it, and so on. In how many rows are the 200 logs are placed, and how many logs are there in the top row? So there are placed 200 logs in such a manner that 20 logs in the first row, then 19, then 18, then 17, and so on. So we need to arrange 200 logs in this way. So total how many rows are there and how many logs are there in the top row? These two are the questions. How many logs are in the top row means we have to find out what is AN. How many rows are there means we have to find out N. Now first we can find out the AP. It is very easy. 20 is in the first row, 19 in the second, 18 in the third. So the AP is 20, 19, 18, etc. The AP is 20, 19, 18, etc. A equal to 20. D equal to 19 minus 20. That is equal to minus 1. N we need to find out. AN also we need to find out. SN. Sum is given. There are 200 logs. Therefore SN equal to 200. So here the given thing is SN. So we can start with the SN. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is 200 equal to n by 2 into 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into minus 1. This divided by 2 we can take to left side. It is becoming into 2. 2 into 20 is 40. This n minus 1 into minus 1. This bracket also we can remove. N into minus 1 is minus 1n. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. That is 200 into 2 equal to n into 40 plus minus 1n plus 1. 2 into 20, 40. N into minus 1, it is minus 1n. Minus 1 into minus 1, it is plus 1. Now this 40 and 1 we can add. It is 41. 200 into 2 we can multiply. It is 400. So we get 400 equal to n into 41 plus minus 1n. This bracket we can remove again. N into 41, it is 41n. N into minus 1n, it is minus 1n square. So we got 400 equal to 41n minus 1n square. 41 into n, it is 41n. Minus 1n into n, it is minus 1n square. We can take both these numbers to left side. That is 400 minus 41n plus 1n square. We can write 1n square first, 41n second, 400 third. Then it will become a quadratic equation in n. So we got a n square minus 41n plus 400 equal to 0. Now we can solve this by using the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula we know minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. First we can find out b square minus 4ac. A equal to 1, B equal to minus 41, C equal to 400. B square minus 4AC equal to minus 41 square minus 4 into 1 into 400. That is equal to 1681 minus 1600. That is equal to 81. Now we can find out N. N equal to minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC whole divided by 2A. That is equal to minus 41 plus or minus root of 81 whole divided by 2 into 1. That is equal to 41 plus or minus 9 divided by 2. Root of 81 is 9. Now we can split it into 2. n equal to 41 plus 9 by 2 or n equal to 41 minus 9 by 2. That is n equal to 50 by 2 or n equal to 32 by 2. So we got n equal to 25 or 16. So we got two values for n. That means we got two values for number of rows. It is 25 and 16. There is one more question. How many logs are there in the top row? Means we have to find out an. So we can find out an by using both these values of n, 25 and 16. If we consider the value n equal to 25, we get an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is equal to 20 plus 25 minus 1 into minus 1. That is equal to 20 plus 24 into minus 1, that is equal to 20 plus minus 24, that is equal to minus 4. So if the number of rows is 25, there are minus 4 logs in the last row. It is not possible. Number of logs cannot be negative. Now we can consider n equal to 16. What we get? An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 20 plus 16 minus 1 into minus 1, that is equal to 20 plus 15 into minus 1, that is equal to 20 plus minus 15, that is equal to 5. So here we got a positive value. So we can conclude the number of rows is 16 and the number of logs in the last row is 5. Exercise 5.3, question number 20. In a potato race, a bucket is placed in the starting point, which is 5 meters away from the first potato, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line. A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it, drop it in the bucket, runs back to pick up the next potato, runs to the bucket to drop it, and she continues it in the same way until all the potatoes are in the bucket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? So here is the bucket, here is the first potato. The first potato is 5 meters away from the bucket. The competitor has to start from the bucket, move to the first potato, take it and keep it back in the bucket. So first he has to start from the bucket, reach here, he will complete 5 meters. He has to go back. So total he will complete 10 meters in the first round. Next he has to start from the bucket. He has to reach to the second potato. Second potato is 5 plus 3, 8 meters away from the bucket. He has to reach here the second potato, which is 8 meters away from the bucket, and has to go back. So total 8 plus 8, 16 meters he has to cover. For the third case, he has to start from the bucket. He has to reach near to the third potato. Third potato is 5 plus 3 plus 3, which is 11 meters away from the bucket. After that, he has to go back also 11 meters. So total 22 meters he has to cover. So here we got an AP 10 meters, 16 meters, 22 meters, etc. And total there are 10 potatoes in the line. So we can say n equal to 10. So we need to find out what is the total distance the competitor has to run. That means we have to find out the sum. We have A equal to 10, D equal to 16 minus 10 equal to 6, N equal to 10. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into 10 plus 10 minus 1 into 6, that is equal to 5 into 20 plus 9 into 6, that is equal to 5 into 20 plus 54, that is equal to 5 into 74, equal to 370 meter. So the top competitor has to run 370 meter. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.